Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out these little gear shift handle hoodies. They're pretty sweet. If you're tired of the little mundane shifter that you have, you can put a little hoodie on there. And this even comes with a little tie. You can tie that up. And put the little pockets, or little hands right in the pockets there. Anyways, boom, it's pretty cool. Probably even put it on a little doll if you wanted to, but this is specifically for your little shifter handle there. That's pretty sweet. Let's go throw it on the car and see what it looks like. Okay guys, here we go. Just slips right on over the top here, just like that. And you can have it up here like this, or some people, you can cinch it down more if you want to, so it's a little, the shifter portion is in the top there. Like the drawstrings are functional, so you can draw that down if you want, tighten it up, and you can tie a little knot here if you want. You can slip little hands into the hoodie like this, so looks pretty cool. Probably work as like a little doll outfit too if you're into that. But anyways, thanks for watching my friends. Comes in a bunch of different colors and looks pretty cool.